Hello wonderful people, it's Loretta with Sparrowhawker Designs. Welcome back to my channel. So I made this Christmas journal kind of thing. So anyway, I made it out of a file folder. Just a regular old file folder. And I don't know if this is gonna autofocus or not. But I used, most of the paper that I used in here is either just leftover scrapbook paper or it's from Antique Papery, which is a digital download on Etsy. There's like I said, there's also just a bunch of, this actually is from Shabby Dabby Doodah, but the angel came from Antique Papery. So the Europeans have a little more, or at least they used to anyway, their Christmas stuff was a little more pastels rather than like bright red and green like ours is. So I just thought I would do, that angel just spoke to me, and I thought I would do pink and kind of gold. So I went through and painted some gold throughout, some lace here, and this is a piece of trim from Hobby Lobby, I think. And then on the back is this. Just says Merry Christmas. And another angel sort of with some pink accents. And then you open it up. And so this, it's like an accordion. It folds out like that. You know, so what I did was I put two signatures, one in this part and then one in this part. So, and then I just did pockets. So anyway, and here's some good stuff. Here's a, this is Joy to the World. I just think that's so pretty. And I made the pockets on the bottom all are just from where you just flip up the folder, the file folder. Christmas greetings, apothecary Christmas. And some journaling paper. This is Grace. And then this pocket I have, that's old scrapbook paper. Also I took gold paint to it again. This a Merry Christmas. This is old, like I don't know if you're familiar with the praying, P-R-A-N-G, praying greeting cards, but it's old. I mean, this is a copy. But, and then this is angel playing card. It's a whole deck of angel playing cards, which I just thought was adorable. I went through the whole deck and managed to find a couple that had like pink in it, so that's why I put it in here. This is from Graphics Fairy. And then this is also Antique Papery. And I put some music paper behind it, some gold paint. And then in here, this came from scrapbook paper. This, I actually got this at a flea market. There was a lady selling a bunch of paper stuff at a flea market, so I can't really tell you where it came from. This is Graphics Fairy. And then more journaling paper. Silent Night, Holy Night. Worked out perfect. And then on this last page, this adorable, this is Happy Christmas, this adorable scene of a winter window with the birds outside. I thought that was so cute. Here's a little envelope. I cannot remember where this came from, actually. It says Happy Christmas to you, and she's in pink. It was really kind of cool finding pink Christmas stuff. Here's another one of the playing cards. I love these old scenes of winter and holiday with the snow. I definitely was. I saw A Christmas Carol by Dickens. I had to be like 5 or 6, and from then on, that has been my vision of Christmas, has been this sort of Victorian with the snow, and yeah. Anyway, so then of course the opposite side, then, you know, because you saw, here's the front, and it folds out like this, so obviously you have to have a back side, right? So, just in that, yeah, this is, to me, this is exactly what I think of when I think of Christmas, and is this Victorian idea. I don't know why, but anyway. So, real quick, what I did with this, I got gold paint on that. I cut it all the way down to here, because I think it made the file 8 1/4, I think is what it was. So then I scored it at 4 1/8, and then I just folded this up. And then whenever you bend it, then you go in and you glue the 4 pockets. So it's like that. So you pull these pockets up, and that's how you get, or you pull this up, that's how you get these pockets. And yeah, so that is really all there was to it. Like I said, I don't really know how wide this, so this measures almost 9, just a hair under 9 inches. I mean, like, it is literally a hair. So when I cut the whole thing down, so I cut off the label too. Actually I think I cut it, now that I think about it, I cut this off as well. So I cut just all of that and got rid of it, because it made it, yeah, it made it 8 1/4. And so then I scored it at 4 1/8 and 4 1/8, and then was able to accordion fold it like this. So that's how you get this accordion. So this is 4 1/8, this is 4 1/8, this is 4 1/8, and that is 4 1/8. So yeah. So I also wanted to just quickly, I'm going to do a product placement here that I'm not getting paid for, advertisement. But I bit the bullet and bought some of the art glitter glue that I keep seeing everybody use in their videos, and this stuff really is amazing. When it dries, it's like there's no bumps, no lines, like wherever you put the glue down. You don't get any kind of you can't see where you put the glue down. It dries completely smooth. My only thing I would tell you is that if you do get some, if you've never used it before, make sure you know where you're going to put your stuff, because wherever you're going to glue something down, because once it's down, you're not going to get it back up without tearing things. So anyway, I hope everybody is having a great day. I'm going to do the draw for my giveaway on Thursday. This is Monday, and so if you have not entered that, you should go over to, I'll try to put the link to the video in the bottom of this video. I'm giving away a journal. All you have to do to enter that giveaway is to be a subscriber and like and comment on that video. It has to be on that video though. And then Thursday I will do a random draw. So you've got nothing to lose. Go over and enter. The only other thing, this is going to go up in my Etsy store, I think. these are like a ton of fun to make, although as I have said before, I don't work quickly. This took me 2 days to make. There's one lady I watch on here who literally has full-size journals, 2 or 3 of them every week that she makes. I just cannot produce that fast. I wish I could. But anyway, this will be up in my Etsy store. I also have slow stitch kits up, and I made some Christmas slow stitch kits. So it's Christmas fabrics and that kind of thing. They're really, really cool. And I've also got some handmade earrings, that sort of thing, if you're looking for Christmas presents for somebody. So that's all. That's I think I'm going to take a couple of days and concentrate on my stitching, and I will see you guys on Thursday for the draw. Thank you so much. Have a great day and be safe.